So this is a follow-up video to another video I made several months ago, maybe a year ago, about this little handheld chainsaw. I keep forgetting the details of it. People have asked if this is a 4-inch or a 6-inch. It is a sort of an odd size. I'll have to measure it and post about it a little bit later. This is for, I'm answering a question from a viewer, and I don't know your name very well. Alvaro Mati, perhaps? Anyway, this is for you, answering some questions about keeping this lubricated. So you're gonna, your goal is to cut wood, tree limbs, most likely. Very important to keep your tool lubricated. You want to lubricate the chain. First of all, you want to use just a basic bar and chain oil. It's a lubricant made for this purpose. I bought this, and I'm not too crazy about it because of the way that it dispenses. Remove your battery so there's no danger of cutting yourself. I apply the lubricant just generally over the area. I'll run the tool, and it'll drip down onto the chain as it turns. That's probably good enough. Another thing you want to take note of is the tension on your chain. If it gets loose, that's not good. It could jump off of the bar. So there's two steps involved in tightening the chain. First, you'll loosen this lock nut, and then there's a tensioning screw located. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. I'm sorry. It's covered up by sawdust. All right, so find your tensioning screw. Use the right tool. So there's not so much slack. Once that is set, I think I made it a little bit too tight. Nope. Try again. Just a bit. Try to keep your tool clean. Remember, heat is the enemy. And heat, see, I'm just not too happy. I'm not too happy with the way this oiler works. Heat is the enemy, and of course friction causes heat. And a buildup of sawdust will also keep the heat in. So keeping your tool clean and lubricated will help extend the life of all the moving parts, mainly the motor being the most essential part. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful and informative. I don't know about using this kind of can. I might consider some other sort of can. Definitely get some oil and have some tools ready for routine maintenance. Thanks for watching.